Greg Baldy. We have Rod Grant here. Thank you very much for joining us. This Tampa Film Review is growing in leaps and bounds.
Yes.
So thank you for helping support Media Mix tonight. But talk about you each personally. Would you have ever met without the Tampa Film Review? Because both of you guys do two different things.
Well, you know, it's been a big help as far as networking and everything. And you get to showcase your film, and a lot of actors go there, and you get to meet new people and potentially cast them for your next movie or whatever. But yeah, I mean, it's
And you
great.
personally have your own.
Oh yes, I have my own production company. I do a lot of freelance work for companies in the area, St. Pete and Tampa. But it's always good to have an event like this and just go to it and showcase your film and get people's reviews on it.
I think that, and then before we forget, you are a shooter?
Yes, I'm a cinematographer and a director.
Huh, we'll check you out. And Rod, you do a lot of things.
Yeah, I'm an actor, author, screenwriter, producer. So
What haven't you done?
What haven't
You haven't played in the Super Bowl, right?
What haven't
Not
I
yet.
done? I have my own production company as well. It's called Inspiration Films, and we just finished our first. I'm just starting though, unlike Greg's been doing it a lot longer. Just produced our first short film with David Hurd Productions called There's Always Hope. And that'll air actually tomorrow, it'll premiere tomorrow night at the Tampa Film Review.
So tomorrow is the night for the film review at International Bazaar.
Yep, every second Friday of every month they have it.
What else gets played at the International Bazaar, and how can somebody who is not in that network get their film showed? Is there a review board?
Well, basically,
is there criteria that
yeah,
you can't be?
Right, you have to enter your film into Pete or Paul at the Tampa Bay Film Review, and they go ahead and allow you to play your film there if they like it, if it's great, or if it's not, you can play pretty much anything that goes there, and it's a great place. I mean, you see some of the best films around there.
Now, Rod, tomorrow.
Except porn. There's no. I don't think porn gets it.
Yeah, except for those. We don't like to
Well, we need to talk to Pete and Paul about that porn thing, huh?
Yeah.
No, so Rod, tomorrow will be your first showing ever?
Yes.
Are you nervous? Are you excited?
I've seen it, and it looks awesome.
But you haven't seen 100 other people watching your film.
No, I haven't. You're right. But I'm still being in the business for as long as, I know quality work. So I've seen it, and I'm happy with it, I'm pleased with it. I know it's going to be a good response, and just wondering how large of a positive response. So.
It's going to be. Well, Greg, you've sat through a couple of seeing your movies play. Can you give Rod a little advice about how his stomach's going to feel tomorrow?
Yeah,
or
no problem. Well, at first, your heart starts to race.
Is your tummy going to go up and down?
Yeah, pretty much. You're going to feel sick and nauseous, and then when it's all over, you didn't even watch a second of your own film. That's how it goes.
Does it?
Oh, yeah.
You can't eat. You can't. I mean,
it's nerve-wracking to have
So it's
your
pretty
own
much the
movie
same
play.
as an actor then.
Yeah, kind of like being in front of the camera for.
Tell me
the first
if
time.
you're right. You don't see a second of your film. Are you too busy watching other people's reaction to your film that you're too busy to watch it?
Yeah, sometimes, because I mean you've already seen it 100 times already, especially if you've done the editing. So you're not really there to watch your film. You're there to watch people and how they react. And you can edit it better or do whatever you want with that. But it's a really good way to see what people think of your film.
How has, and both of you can answer this question, how has being a part of or associated with the Tampa Film Review helped you in each of your endeavors?
I think it's helped me as far as networking is concerned, and not only networking as an actor, but as a producer. And I mean, everybody comes there that's in the business. From producers to actors to sound people to grips to, everyone. And you're able to network with all of them and kind of build a machine, so to speak, or your own little group of people that are willing to help you and work with you and create art.
Yeah,
I think a lot of people tend to forget, because we're so homogenized by big blockbusters, that film is art.
But is it kind of a small group? I mean, a close-knit group? Is it hard for newcomers or people who want young kids?
No, not at all. In fact, it's always good to see new faces in this industry, because everybody has great ideas, and when you combine them on a movie, it's just a great experience. You get a good product.
I think it's even easier too for new people to come in, because everybody's so nice and so available, and wouldn't you say? I would
absolutely,
say,
yeah.
As far as letting new people come in and share in what we're doing.
So say I want to go tomorrow night, and I want to catch, there's what, 3 or 4 films playing tomorrow night?
Probably.
Am I going to have to shell out $7 per film, $8 for popcorn? Tell me what the experience is going to be
Zero.
like.
It's nothing. It's free. Anybody can go that wants to go and be a part of it.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah. And sometimes they even serve food. So.
Yep.
Are they serving food tomorrow night for your film?
Actually, I don't know.
I think we should get on that.
Yeah, we need to get on. Paul?
I haven't seen him here yet. Give us some contact information for both of you personally, if you don't mind. If somebody needs a cinematographer,
Sure,
or if
absolutely.
somebody needs a producer, actor, director,
Well, if you
published
want to get a
author.
hold of me,
Sorry.
you can go to my website, www.baldyentertainment.com, and you can find me online.
And you've got some samples of work that you've done on your website.
Yep. My reel is up there and a little bit of clips of the work I've done in the past.
I think that's great. And Rod, can you give us a
Yeah.
website for you?
For me, just with our film, we co-produce with David Hurd. It's dhvideoproductions, I think, .com.
So, I could
Or
ask
just
one-
Google my name.
Google mine. I just got to ask one more question. I know we're running out of time, but do you both, like, now that HD's out, I mean, when you guys probably started, it was beta, it was mini DV. Are you both wanting your own HD deck and edit? So, I mean, what's your dream,
Got it.
honestly? Got it?
Yeah, I got it. It was expensive.
He got his dream
I
already.
got it.
All right, last question. What if you could name one thing that you could do in the film business? Would it be like, this is cliche, but be the next Steven Spielberg?
Absolutely. I love Steven Spielberg. He's one of my biggest idols, so yeah.
Yeah, that would be
absolutely.
yours.
Major to work in a major production.
I'm sorry?
To work in a major production.
I think that's great. I bet it happens for both of you, especially that
Thank
you're
you.
part of the Tampa Film Review. Thank you both.